I'm doing the photography workshop. I'm doing the Abbey Road album cover.
Let's have a look around on your engine. So this is basically your production environment.
Well, we were going to talk about Squid Game, but then we ended up just talking about the most random things we could think of. But yeah, it's really good. I mean, it's very different to what I'm used to.
Join us at 9 PM every Thursday for A Critic of Life, only on Radio Sonar.
We came here today for the Creative Media Day at Solent. Our task, which is to do a reel for social medias, stuff like Instagram and that. It was quite interesting how it works.
I'm doing framing a shot lighting and cinematography workshop today. It's pretty good. It's quite hard to shape the light because there's a lot of shadows in the examples, so the light's kind of wrapping around people's faces too much.
And then now we can hear them, of course. And then when Mel comes in.
And welcome to Solent Sports News.
We were tasked to draw out objects from our memory. It's a pretty good place, yeah.
And then think about what type of robot or appliance or machine.
I've kidnapped you both and locked you both in this room, and the only way to escape this room is if you solve my riddle.
The new version of a green screen. So you've got this big screen behind there, and the camera tracks some dots on the ceiling, so it knows where it is in a virtual space. So it runs it to a computer that allows you to have these virtual sets